Okay, this video based on this. 3. Find new passion. I can't really put it as a passion, but it helps me a lot to distract me from a cigarette back then, and it's kind of fun and somehow productive. So I just want to show you how I manage, how I build, how I turn my studio apartment into a functional, intellectual workspace. Repaint. I work on dark color for the wall. The main purpose is a classy, dark, moody ambiance. But I was kinda wrong. Kinda. Because I was missing the other element like marble, pop culture, modern, minimalist, beauty, fuzzy carpet, mid-tones color sofa, fancy leather bench, or any kind of tactility. Because when they say blend beautifully, that also means blend your pocket. Hey, you can do it in mid-range. You don't need to spend that much. You can yeah, boo-boo, I know. I'm not even in mid-range right now. So I mix the color blue and black. Pro tip, never do that. Never ever do that without any legit experiences or at the very least any kind of professional help. It always come up below your expectation. Blue and black, this is what I expect. And this is what happened. Just black, straight black hole, infinite void. Before I take it further, even though the result it kinda sucks, and you know the destination out of expectation, but I love doing it. Like I enjoy the journey. We did enjoy the journey. So yeah, that's why we keep pushing it. And you can see how enthusiastic we are. Acoustic panel slash soundproof panel slash more like how to not get my room too loud so my neighbor won't call the security to knock on my door. Nice. Okay, now this is different because yeah, you really can go with a low budget. All of this no more than approximately $13.
I don't think so.
So the requirements are nail, hammer, marker, your mother kitchen scissors that you use to cut your pubic hair, your father duct tape you use to stitch up your pack of in your hidden wall, cutter that you use to open a mystery box that you bought from made in China or import from China staple gun, wood slice that you can get free from your local carpenter, and bunch of piece of cloth or bunch of your unused blanket slash towel that filled by your G-stain, and the last, background. Okay, if all things are set, first make the frame. It depends on of what frame you want to make. Square, triangle, round, rhombus, whatever. But you have to make sure you pull it sturdy. In my case, I make a frame square and rectangle. 2. Adjust the size between your blanket slash towel slash piece of cloth and the frame. You need concentration here. Huge concentration. You need to do it precisely. 3. After you're done, make the layer inside, middle, and outside. Long story short, This is the result. Now your last shot, just to make sure you install at the spot where you and your band play the instrument. Okay, the last thing last, the finishing touch. If you have a balcony or something like that, maybe this would help. Beside the reason I always love stickers is I don't know what it's called, but the material of the floor in my balcony is nothing like, more like a concrete, like, you know, unpolished, abrasive, dusty, you know, and every time I step on it, it leaves a dusty footprint, and it really bothered me. So I choose sticker to cover it up, and it works. Also,